Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Well, I do have another style for you. Stay tuned to see how I install these beautiful passion twist crochets. Well guys, first things first, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Join the family, help me grow the channel. I will appreciate it very much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you. It's always a pleasure to have you back. Welcome. Today's video is going to be very quick. Just installing these simple crochet passion twist crochet, and by now, if you don't know how to cornrow your own hair, I would say get into practice, because once you learn how to do your own hair, well, it will save you time, it will save you money. These crochets are it's the era of crochet, and you have to know how to do those basic cornrows. It will, you will accomplish a lot of style with it. So I'm just braiding my hair all the way to the back, and connecting it the way that I did, just connecting the end of each braid to the next one. That will save you time once all the braids are all done. Let's stay here in love. And it does not have to be perfect, guys. As you can see, my cornrows are not perfect. It just has to be, as basic as possible. Just, lay your head down and get going with your style. It does not have to be perfect. Practice makes better. Watch videos on how you can cornrow your own hair and practice. Once you're done, just tuck the end of that last braid over the other ones and you are good to go. This is the hair I got from Amazon. This is the image of it, and it came in little packages of 8. It's 8 total of these little packages. The good thing about those twist crochets is the loops are very easy to find, and it's very easy to pull through it. So you just get the loop ready, just put the crochet needle through your hair and pull through those loops all throughout your hair. You can start from the back or you can start from the front, wherever you feel more comfortable, and just loop your hair through, loop this thing through all your hair, and you are all set. It's very easy, very basic. If you don't know how to use your crochet needle, like I said, practice always makes better. You need to learn, you need to practice, and by practicing it gets easier, it gets better. Just don't get too far and I'll be right where you are. Just want us to always be. fun installing my hair. Well, this one thing that I have to say about this hair is you need to get 2 packs. I got 1 pack. If I knew, I would have gotten 2 because it's not as full as I wanted it, but some people like it to be as, you know, as small, I mean like as natural as possible, and they don't like too much of it. So if you don't want too much of it, just like this, you can, you know, get 1 pack, but if you like it to be really nice and full, you might want to get 2 packs of this hair. But this is the final result. I really I love it. It's very, very nice. It came out really, the hair is really soft, and I am pleased with the result, that's for sure. Here it is. Thank you guys so much. This is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me grow this channel, guys, please. And I love you guys so much. I will see you on my next video. Bye.